Okay, this magic is ring escape. First, you need the 2 rings, 2 shoelaces. The yellow one is provided in your box, and lastly, the magic wand. Okay, first you need a friend. I have a friend over here. Come right in. Okay, take the 2 shoelaces and put it on the magic wand, one at a time. Okay, first one, and the second one. Now, first step, you're not supposed to put it on the table. You're supposed to put it on the magic wand. Very good. Okay. Now we're gonna you're supposed to put it on the table. You're gonna put it on the magic wand. Okay, on the magic wand exactly like this. Okay, not on the table. Understand? Now, okay, very good. Now, first step. Hey, do you take it out? No. I tell you what. You hold the magic wand. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 shoelaces on the magic wand myself. I'm gonna tie a knot on the wand. Put it very tight. You can pull it very tight as well. Just make sure it's very tight. Just pull on the 2 ends. Very tight. Pull on it. Very good. Now I'm going to put 2 rings on here. The shoelace. Very good. Hold on. I'm going to take 1 from each end. You can tie the knot over the 2 rings. Okay, hold on and pull it very tight. Make sure there's no way I can get it out. The only way I can pull out the rings is from this end or this end if I pull it through her hand. So she's not going to let go of these 2 ends. First, I blow. And oh, yes. Oh. Try again, blow. Okay. Blow again. Blow again.